Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, is one of the largest R&D organizations of India. It is a network of 37 laboratories spreading across India. In 2025, CSIR's laboratories delivered outstanding R&D breakthroughs that are serving the society and reshaping our nation's future. Meet Birsa 101, India's first CRISPR-based gene therapy for sickle cell disease, developed by CSIR, IGIB, a breakthrough that transforms lives. CSIR, CRRI built the world's first port road using steel slag, converting industrial waste into world-class infrastructure. Over 200 kilometers of green roads are transforming rural India. CSIR, NBRI developed the world's first genetically modified cotton fully resistant to pink bollworm. And CSIR, CFTRI's millet technology, it's now in McDonald's burgers across India. CSIR, EMPRI developed an indigenous solar system for atmospheric monitoring, now deployed at India Meteorological Department. Plus, India's first indigenous Raman spectrometer, ending decades of import dependence. CSIR, CCMB established India's first zoo biobank at Darjeeling Zoo, preserving genetic material of endangered species for future conservation and wildlife protection. CSIR CLRI developed India's first ever footwear sizing system after precisely measuring 1.25 lakh feet across 73 districts. Breaking away from Western shoe sizes, the indigenous BA system is custom-fitted for Indian anatomy, ensuring comfort, fit, and dignity for every Indian foot. After 5 years of relentless effort, CSIR IHBT achieved the first successful flowering and seed setting of hing at Palampur in 2025. Breaking 30 years of import dependence, India is now ready to cultivate this precious Himalayan spice domestically, empowering farmers. CSIR NAL High Altitude Platform, a solar-powered stratospheric aircraft at 20 kilometers altitude. Designed for border patrol, surveillance, and communication relay, it's a game-changer for India's defense. A standing ovation at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The CSIR Aroma mission, led by CSIR, CMAP, received the prestigious Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2025. This purple revolution has empowered 40,000 farmers, increased incomes by 20 to 30%, and reduced India's essential all-import dependence. In the year 2025, CSIR, NISPR made a remarkable contribution to communicate the country's important scientific achievements with society through various media platforms. CSIR, NISPR hosted the landmark STAG 2025 International Conference, bringing global experts to refine science, technology, innovation indicators for India's development agenda at 2047. From gene therapies saving lives to waste, to wealth infrastructure. From indigenous scientific instruments to protecting endangered species. From farming innovations empowering rural India to aerospace capabilities. From aromatic crops transforming farmer livelihoods to custom-fitted Indian footwear. 37 laboratories, one mission, making India Viksit.